My dream has come true. I'm giving a public lecture in Nigeria.
The 1st of November 2023 at 4 p.m.
Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he was sent for the entire humanity.
The 2nd of November 2023 at 10 a.m.
The Quran, 1400 years ago, tells the exact shape of the earth. Who could have mentioned this?
The 4th of November 2023 at 9 a.m.
We should learn from the example of the Sahaba. Preferred Islam over the life of this world. They knew the importance of the afterlife.
The 4th of November 2023 at 9 a.m.
If the God you are worshipping passes the test of Surah Ikhlas, he is a true God.
5th of November 2023 at 9 a.m.
We dedicate our youth in conveying the message of Islam to the non-Muslims, to those who are unaware of it.
5th of November 2023 at 9 a.m.
It's the duty of every Muslim that should convey the message of Islam to those who are not aware of it.